Welcome back, guys. This is your boy NIYI-DIY. Right now we're about to do another video, another DIY. Today we're going to replace the sway bar link of 2012 Toyota Camry. I already got the replacement part. Whenever I drive, I noticed it be shaking, be wobbling. I tried, nudging it horizontally and vertically. It didn't seem like that was the issue. But I discovered that the sway bar link seemed to have some loose bushing. So right now we're about to do the replacement. I already did the necessary precautions just to jack up the vehicle. I put a jack stand, and at the back I have a tire stopper. You don't want it rolling over when you're walking. So right now I already tried to take off the nuts on the wheels, and they're going to take the wheels off so we can see the sway bar link. Before we get into the video, kindly click the like button, leave a comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Once again, click the like button, leave a comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, this is your boy NIYI-DIY. Alright, let's get in. So guys, I got my replacement part here from the third axle. Like I said, if you watch, I did an unboxing video for that. If you look closely, that's the strut that I replaced recently. So now we're doing the sway bar link. So take this screw off and then just pull the wheel off. Keep it somewhere safe, away from your job. Just pull the wheel out. The wheel is out already, and then you just put it to the side. Ripping the new one out from the pack. Okay. So that's it out from the pack. Some physical measurements assessment. You see, it's the same dimensions, the same length. Okay. So in the process of taking out the old one, you notice the wrench, the spanner is a 17. So you just turn it. I already broke it loose before I turned the video back up. So just gonna take this off. So I already took the old one out. See it side by side with the new one. And that's the slot. I took it out front. So we're gonna put the new one back in. Start from the lower portion first, because that's the sway bar right there. And then you go to the upper portion too, and that just slides in easy. So you got both sides in for the sway bar. Then you just take the nut, just gonna tuck it, slide the wrench on it, hold it in place. Okay, so now the next thing is also use the wrench and tuck it. Put some torque on it. So keep doing that and do it for the top as well as for the bottom too. So when you're talking, make sure it's talking, or else you just be spinning around the wrench, not knowing like it's spinning just on the other end of the sway bar, just spinning. So this is just to like hold the base nut in place whilst I apply the torque. Okay guys, just an observation to tell you, to let you know. So I tucked it up, the top one. Next is the bottom. So same thing we do on this side, we're gonna do on the other side. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Kindly click the like button, leave a comment, share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. You're watching. It's your boy NIYI-DIY. We're doing sway bar link replacement on the 2012 Toyota Camry XLE, because whenever you drive, it's been wobbly. Initially it felt it was a strut, change the strut, the same issue still persists. Then I discovered the sway bar link, the bushing at the back, or the old one, was already ruptured. Look at it critically. You see it's torn, it doesn't look uniform no more. It looks broken. So I got to replace it, and that's what I've done. Alright guys, keep watching. So guys, the sway bar link replacement on the passenger side of the 2012 Toyota Camry XLE, the work has been completed. The top as well as the bottom. The next one I'm gonna do, though I'm not gonna record it, is go to the other side. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button, leave a comment, share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy NIYI-DIY coming to you with a new video. Gonna get into it, over time and drive and see how far it goes. If it goes good, I'll let you know. But all the same, thanks guys for supporting the channel. I see gradual increase in number of subscribers. I really appreciate those of you who've been consistent watching, even those of you who've been calling people who've taken out time to watch these videos. Perhaps try to listen to me, hear my accent out, but I know that knowledge is global, especially engineering, and they say soccer, and even music. Those are global languages. Click the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and please share the video. Peace. Thanks.